Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering off and disconnecting everything. You need a clean, well-lit workspace. Remove the grill or bottom screws now, keeping screws organized so reassembly is painless. Once the case is open, gently lift the PCB using a spudger and observe the charging port area. You'll see solder joints and possibly broken pads. At this stage, make sure you identify whether the port is damaged, loose, or the PCB traces are lifted before proceeding to unsolder and replace the connector. You now desolder the old port. Heat joints evenly and remove solder with wick or a pump. Avoid overheating the PCB. Once free, lift the damaged connector and clean pads with flux. Position the new port, tack 2 opposite corner pins to hold it square, then solder the remaining pins with steady heat and minimal solder. Ensure mechanical stability. If any PCB pads are torn, bridge the connections with thin insulated jumper wires. This restores continuity and prevents intermittent charging failures. Once soldering is complete, reconnect the battery and apply a test charger while measuring voltage at the port. You should see expected charging voltage. If reading is correct, reassemble the case, reinstall screws in their original holes, and test charging under load and the speaker functions. If charging still fails, inspect solder joints for cold joints, verify continuity to the battery and charger IC, and confirm the replacement port is compatible. If a pad is lifted, a jumper repair often fixes it and prevents repeated.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.